Hi, I'm Jeremy Havens with J. Vincent Real Estate. Today we're out here at 3076 Weidrick Road in Walworth, New York, where this 4-bedroom ranch has over 1,800 square feet of space. It has a roof from 2002, all the windows are brand new, the kitchen's been updated, and it's got privacy in the backyard that most people just would die for. So why don't you join me and Bear Video Tours and let's go inside and take a tour.